Hi guys, working on this Vaillant boiler. It's got a code it's got a code which is there you go. Flashing F22 and 03. Now that display is correct. That's what happens in HMO properties. Right. Anyway, the pressure is low on that. To fill the pressure up, you got a filling loop there, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is this one here in line with the pipes. This one there, also this one in line with the pipes. Can you hear the water going in? Yeah. Do it slowly. Right, and then just watch the pressure just go up slowly, yeah. 0.5, 0.6. Whoa, can't press these buttons, the display's going back. Right, anyway. So, I thought all I had to do is pressurize the system, but I can't press these buttons, so if they ever need to adjust the temperature, I can't do it. Look at that, it's pressed in. So, I'm gonna open it up and check what's wrong with the back end of this boiler now. More work for me. Just sit down Okay, and I need a display board for this, and I need the data badge. And there you go. I will need the GC number, and that's it. Basically, I gotta clear the F70 now. Can't see it in this, can you? It's giving me F70. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do. So I put the DNS codes in. It's giving F70 because I put the new display board in, and it looks like it's working fine now. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. See ya.